Hello guys, welcome to the chapter Facebook Marketing Strategies. In this lesson, we're going to talk about conducting contests to get more subscribers. Let's get started. On any social media platforms, contests or giveaways help businesses attract more people who can follow their page. People love getting free stuff. Conducting giveaways will require people to follow the instructions of the contest in order to win the contest and receive the prize. First, you need to plan the contest or giveaway. You must determine the goal of the contest that you will host on your Facebook page. Your contest or giveaway is a way to increase brand awareness, get more Facebook fans, or promote your product that could lead to immediate sales. If you know the end result of your contest, you will be able to determine and measure if the goal of your contest were met. Next, determine the prize to give away. When hosting a contest, you must have a prize that your potential customers will get in return as they follow the contest mechanics. The prize that your potential customers can win can be your product that they can be excited to win from the contest. Also, the prize should be relevant to your niche. It can be one of the products that you are selling. The budget that you will allot for the prize must be within the budget range of your business. Next, share the post on other social media platforms. If you have a page on Instagram, you can share the same content mechanics on the platform. Doing this will allow you to attract potential customers from another social media platform who are also interested in your business niche. Next, set the date and mechanics. Inform your viewers how long they can prepare to join the contest. Set the deadline when your viewers can send their entries. Write clear instructions that people should follow. This way, they can easily join the contest that you are hosting as they follow the step-by-step mechanics of the contest. Most contests instruct people to like and follow a Facebook page, tag a number of their friends in the comment section, and share the post. Next, collaborate with other brands. You can collaborate with other businesses the same as your business niche. You can ask the other brand to conduct giveaways where their product can be included in the prize. You can collaborate with one brand or multiple brands. Collaborate with the other brand and negotiate the price that they can set to give away. If this product is valuable to your target audiences, then more people will be joining your contest. There are contests where a brand collaborates with multiple brands to create one huge grand prize. For example, a brand that collaborates with more than 10 brands can attract the followers of each brand included in the contest. Since there are more brands included in the contest to contribute their prize, you can expect hundreds or thousands of people that would participate in your contest. You can see in this example post, they collaborated with 20 brands that generated thousands of participants and engagement. People like to win prizes, especially if it's in their interest. Participants who joined the contest developed an awareness of the brands who participated in the contest. These users follow the brands, browse their content, learn about their products, and as a result, the brands have increased their audience reach. That is why it can be more than enough to give away a few of their products to acquire more potential customers in return. When you are trying to get more subscribers, it is better to attract the right people, since your goal in conducting contests is to grow your business and get more potential customers who are interested in the products that you are selling. Now that you know about conducting contests to get more subscribers, we can now proceed to the next topic, collaborating with another brand or influencer. I'll see you there.
Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe and go to technicforce.com for more tools and training.